Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to resize and crop images in Adobe Photoshop. These are essential skills that will help you perfect your designs and create stunning visuals. So let's dive in. To begin, open your image in Adobe Photoshop. Once your image is open, go to the image menu at the top and select image size. A new window will pop up allowing you to change the dimensions of your image. Make sure to maintain the aspect ratio to avoid distortion. To crop your image, select the crop tool from the left toolbar or use the keyboard shortcut C. Drag a selection around the area you want to keep and press enter to apply the crop. If you need to change the canvas size without altering the image, go to Image and select Canvas Size. Here, you can adjust the width and height of the canvas. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, go to File and click on Save As to save your edited image. And that's it! You now know how to resize and crop images in Adobe Photoshop. These techniques will elevate your designs and allow you to create polished visuals for any project. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to resize and crop images in Adobe Photoshop. With these skills in your toolkit, you're ready to take on any design challenge and bring your creative visions to life. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep pushing your creative boundaries. Until next time, happy editing and see you on my next video.